So a little update on the plug repair that I did, the little worm in the back tyre after pulling the nail out. It's all going well. It's, what is it, 2 weeks ago that I did it, something like that, and it's holding pressure. I mean, at the moment it's 39 psi and 19 degrees, but I've been having a little bit of a play, so it is warmed up. It started out about 35 psi. So hopefully the old worm has now moulded itself in with the tyre and is part of the tyre and loves the tyre, and the tyre loves the worm, and they will get on right up until the tyre's worn out and I have to replace the tyre. Hopefully, in an ideal world and all that. But yes, as I say, at the moment, definitely holding its pressure and definitely getting warmed up. So I'm quite pleased with that. Quite pleased with that. It's the first time I've administered one of those wormy plugs, and I suppose I was lucky I could do it in a controlled environment at home rather than on the side of the road. So yes, I was a little bit sceptical about putting a worm in the back tyre, but as I've said before, the AA did a worm repair on my back tyre on my Bandit, and that lasted another 5,000 miles at some rather quick speeds. Oh, go on. So I'm hopeful that mine will be as good. It's early days, but it's hanging on in there, and it's definitely had some abuse, especially today. First dry day for a while, although it is bloody chilly. We can't have everything. Like one of them. Aston Martin, beautiful. So there you go, there's the update on the puncture repair. Long may it live.